Order filled.
Oh, too tight. I gotta fix that. What? I'm in the wrong account. Oh no. I'm gonna blow up my express funded account, traders. I can't believe I'm in the wrong account. This is not good. Why was I on my 50K? The clue was that I should have got it the first time I jumped in. I should have saw it the very first time, and I could have got out for $200 in profit and been like, sweet, bonus money. But when my stop and my target was so tight, I should have clued in that that was not the right account. I don't feel well, so my head's not in the right space. I mean, this short should go down a little more. Should be all right to get out and profit on this short, but news is coming up right now. That might have been the reason why that went down. Oh, man. I mean, right now I just feel on tilt. You know, I was in this 50K. I was excited about it. It was growing. Everything was looking good. And then I made a big mistake. And then I just got a case of the F-its and said, should I just get out, take the $700 or $800 loss, and then just have to slowly grow this back $50 at a time and spend the next 4 weeks trying to grow it back?
Order filled.
And there goes the account. Bye-bye account. Gone. Just like that, traders. One mistake. So do I grow it back for the next 4 weeks, or do I just say I get lucky or I start over? Because I could pass an evaluation in a week and be in a better financial position, but just by letting it go. Oh, I'm so mad. So what could I have done smarter? So one thing is a checklist on my wall that I have to read before I get into my trades. So I've already done that. I just put that up there. Check the account type, check the chart ticker, check the order window ticker, check my size over here. Make sure I'm in the right time frame, so I'm looking at the right stuff. Double check my strategy. And then the next thing is over here with the settings. I could have had a DLL in here, and I didn't have one set because I didn't feel like I needed it. You know, I'm not going to do the wrong thing. I'm going to put my stop where it's supposed to go. I'm good. I'm disciplined. And I didn't have one. So if I had a $400 DLL, that would have shut me down for the night. And I could have grown this back much faster. I've been good to go. But I didn't. So that's the punishment, I guess. All right, so as you can see, I blew out that 50K express funded account, which is a little bit of a bummer. On the bright side, you know, I didn't expect to even have that 50K account. That was kind of an accidental account. Let me get into gold real quick.
Order filled.
All right, so I didn't expect to even have it. So I guess it's, you know, one of those things. If you didn't catch it, it was I was rebilled for an account that I didn't even know I had. And when I discovered it in billing, I decided to trade it. And I decided to trade it as a casino account and do a DCA strategy and see if it would work. And it did work. It worked awesome with the NASDAQ 50K account at night, trading on a time frame where the moves were small. And I didn't really have a lot of, you know, didn't have to worry too much about the risk of that $2,000 limit. And then what happened there was I was supposed to be trading in my normal gold account, in my normal gold trade, which there's no way that 50K could hold it. And I got blown out because I didn't have the right account selected when I went into that thing. So a little bit of a bummer because I was funded and I was in profit and on my way to payout, and then it's gone. So it is what it is. So here we are with the my regular gold accounts that I'm trading gold at night and NASDAQ during the day. And yeah, we'll just keep this thing growing. It's not that far away from passing. Stick to the original plan. Get this thing passed. Get some payouts. And then end up in a live account here sooner than later. I will open up another 150K. Not open it, but I'll reset my other casino 150K once the end of the month comes. because I do like having a casino account that I can play with different things. And I do think I've worked out a good DCA for gold and for the NASDAQ. And I need to see it get funded first, make sure it's actually working, and then I'm going to share it with you. But so far it looks pretty awesome. I did blow up that DCA account up testing it because I had added too many times in such a short interval that I couldn't hold the rest of the trade. But I'm working out the bugs. If it works, I'll bring it to you. All right, well, we'll see how this trade plays out. Hopefully make some money today and continue on with this account.
Order filled.
Okay, so I use Topstep X, but I also use Thinkorswim to chart because the indicator options and stuff like that, the customizing that you can do with Thinkorswim, it's pretty awesome to be able to create your own stuff, blend your own stuff that you can use as indicators. So I use that for charting, and right now Thinkorswim and Topstep X are not in sync. It looks like they're trading two different contracts, and I think gold just had a rollover, so two different contracts. So I am going to be done for tonight with gold. I'm out. I'm going to lock it out so I'm not tempted. And then I'll just see you in the morning with the NASDAQ. But yeah, locked out. So I don't have to worry about it. All right, everybody. See you in the morning. All right, here we are in the morning. Getting ready to jump into the NASDAQ short. In about 10 seconds here. Getting short the NASDAQ. See what happens. Sell.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong time frame. Trading on the 5-minute, and I just shorted on the 2-minute. Not good. So, well, I guess I could flatten that and take my $50.
Order filled.
There we go. All right, we'll take a little bit of money on that flat and wait to get into a confirmation in 35 seconds.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what happens here. All right, NASDAQ's in. Let's see what it can do. If I can survive this 30-minute candle without getting tagged out in the next 15 minutes, maybe I'll make money on the retrace. Nice thing is my account is in buffer territory, so 156,500 roughly in the account. This gives me about $2,000 in buffer. It's pretty awesome. All right, getting the retrace of that 5-minute candle. See if we can get a full retrace of it. Looking at the 30-minute candle, that's a pretty big rejection right there on both ends. Some major battle taking place in the market here. At the open. Went down, got rejected, went all the way up, got rejected. Now hopefully it goes all the way back down again. All right, start trailing a stop here. Come on, a little more. All right, and the
Order
first target,
filled.
I just take it off. All right, getting stuck a little bit there. Took that trade off, so now that'll be $1,000 for the day. That's gonna be my only trade today. I'm gonna call it right there and lock it out. I don't want to be tempted, and I know I'm going to be tempted, especially if this starts selling off. So locked it out. I'm done. Now I'm at 157,443, so about $1,500 away from passing this. I don't want to take any chances. Let's get this 150K passed and then start trading the funded XFA account. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.